People just like do this for fun for like on a Tuesday. Welcome back to another very boring and domestic 32-year-old lady video. So this recipe that I'm using is from Loving It Vegan on Pinterest. I preheated my oven to 350 and I'm gonna spray my 2 cake pans. Julian, would you like to be my Susan chef? It looks like you're not paying attention to me.
You would be right.
I need you to spray the outsides of these pans and then put a circle of parchment paper at the bottom of them. I also think like when I was a kid, I really liked, you know, the idea of getting a store-bought cake was super appealing because I don't know, it was like special. It's like your special day. Some nice little food colorings so that we can decorate your cake really nice.
How many colors are we doing?
We're gonna make like most of it white for your cake and then we'll just do some nice little different colors so we can have fun.
To pipe with?
Yeah, to pipe with.
Ooh, pipe it up.
Okay, uncalled for. Okay, so something I don't understand really is like the ratio of the frosting in the middle here. You know, like how much do you put in here? Why don't you cut one open so we can see what it looks like?
Cross section?
Yeah.
Guys, this is my new knife. This is my new knife.
We did it! Wait, that looks good!
We did funfetti.